Would you like to take oath or affirmation? Oath, please. Would you like In which language would you like to take oath? In English, please. I, Anil, having been elected a member of the lower house of the Youth Parliament, do swear in the name of God that I will be bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Now, I would like to call Ms. Smita, HRD Minister, to introduce the bill.
Honorable Speaker Madam, bowing my head to the Star Board of Education, late C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, Professor Yashpal, I beg to move the bill of introducing National Educational Policy of the year 2020 with the special agenda of valuing vocational courses throughout with the involvement of regular academics be taken into consideration. Respected Madam, the House is aware about the fact that the various amendments done in the National Educational Policy of India 2020 do support the vocational education learning. But in reality, did the schools are picking it? I think that there should be no discrimination in the quality of education. Also, the addition of vocational subjects mainly focuses on specialized knowledge. Basically, the subjects do help a child to pursue for the goals in his life. But do you really think that only subjects just help to work on his interests? Thus, an equality between regular academics and vocational education is important to practice for the betterment of the nation as well as for the personal development of the students. The main clauses for the bill are: it improves flexibility and mobility, a positive influence on child education in families, it would provide mental, health and social benefits, better chances of employment and higher earning levels. हमको तैयारी कुछ इस तरह से करानी है कि भारत का कोई भी इंसान बेरोजगार न बने और भारत के पाठ्यक्रम में एकाग्रता और एकता लाई जा सकती है।
Yes, Ms. Ruth.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I have gone through all the points stated by our respected HDR Minister and I really support this bill. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बच्चा हर चीज़ में परफेक्ट हो, बहुत अच्छा हो. But when it is about the future or the career of the child, we have to think about his interest also, and which is necessary, so that we can reduce the number of suicides and unemployment in our country. For some students, the regular academics are easy, but for some, it may be a burden. And by adding vocational courses in our courses of CBSE, we can give them a better opportunity for having a good life and better future.
Yes, Mr. Aditya.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I rise to specially oppose this bill. I came up from the remote area Nagaland, where children are provided with full setup of material. Hence, but in the case of vocational activities, we have lack of land, resources, trainers, guide. Hence, I strictly oppose this bill, and I request to every member of parties to bring out announcement, as there will not any uniformity in curriculum. Thank you.
Yes, Ms. Rizam.
As it is rightly put forward by a child minister, a good friend of mine, the right of child should not be restricted on the basis of compulsory education extended to the uniform education system throughout the territory of India. India without any discrimination under the policy of education. Children are trained in a different standard, including sports, extracurricular activity, and personality development ages, will definitely lead to a happy future and overall development contributes to the economy of country.
Yes, Mr. Rana.
Honorable Speaker Madam, by this uniform system, the students will utterly be confused. How the child will manage other curriculum activities along with studies that could directly lead to stress. Therefore, the government should not plan further plans with the mixed curriculum. On the other hand, it will not only affect the students, but it will affect the parents too. Also, the children from rural areas cannot manage with this. Therefore, I totally disagree with this bill.
Yes, Mr. Ishit.
Honorable Speaker Madam, the uniform curriculum is imperative. The secondary and senior secondary children are adolescents and the child has this much level that he or she has know about their interest. अगर किसी को फुटबॉल प्लेयर बनना है, क्रिकेट प्लेयर बनना है या सिंगर बनना है तो क्यों वो अलग से अकेडमी ज्वाइन करे? अगर स्कूल में ही इन सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ाया जाए तो क्या गलत है?
Yes, Ms. Meeta. Honorable Speaker Madam, already the child is acquired with a lot of homework and as well as the child is completely engrossed in regular academics. हम कैसे सोच ले कि बच्चा एक साथ सारी चीज मैनेज कर लेगा? जिंदगी में अगर कुछ करना है तो पाठ्यक्रम को पूरी तरह से अपनाना जरूरी है। हम नहीं मानते कि वोकेशनल कोर्सेज को रेगुलर एकेडमिक्स में इंक्लूड किया जाना चाहिए। Therefore, I totally disagree with this bill. Yes, Mr. Prakhar.
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर मैडम, मेरा एक यह भी विचार है कि अगर कोई बच्चा पढ़ाई में ध्यान देना ही बंद कर दे और इन्हीं वोकेशनल सब्जेक्ट्स में ध्यान दे और कुछ हासिल भी कर ले तो हमारी सरकार को मुश्किल से नौकरी देगी या उससे उसके परिवार को पालेगी।
मेरे ख्याल से ये सब बेतुकी बातें हैं जो हमारी एचआरडी दीदी हवा में बोल रही है। बस भी करो एचआरडी दीदी।
Yes, Ms. Kanishka.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I believe that a child cannot cope up with extracurricular activities along with regular academics. At the end, the child has to fight for income and earning if he does not get into academics. वैसे भी कौन सा हमारे यहाँ vocational activities को इतनी importance और इतनी attention दी जाती है जो इसको पाठ्यक्रम में डाला जाए, इसको पाठ्यक्रम में डालना न डालना एक तरह की धुन है। अब हमारी सरकार बच्चों की जिंदगी बर्बाद करने की प्लानिंग भी करने लग गई है। Hereby, I am very strongly opposed to this bill.
Now, come to the clauses. Clause 1. Is there any amendment to be made? Those who are in favor will say aye. Those who are against it will say no. The noes have it. Clause 2. Stand with the bill. Those who are in favor will say aye. Those who are against it will say no. The ayes have it. Now, Miss Prime Minister.
Honorable Speaker Madam, the Minister from Nagaland has stated that the students of the remote areas may not be able to cooperate with the new policy. Madam, I am sorry to say it is a wrong motion. This is only due to the insufficient and effective education system that the students are lagging behind, especially the state government planning. जहाँ तक पाठ्यक्रम की बात है, जनाब, रोग की दवा नहीं, कारण ढूंढना था हमें। I am sure that this uniform education system will go a long way in the integration of our country. एक भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत।
education system, I would like to remind you that it comes under the concurrent list. And it is both state and central government responsibility as well. So I strongly disagree with the Prime Minister